Good morning, Kyle from Paver Restoration, 352-282-2886. We're in on top of the world in Ocala, Florida, and we are going to be cleaning, of course, adding new sand. We're doing platinum sand here and sealing. This has been done a few times. The customer knows it does need to be restored because it's got tons of sand and failed sealer all over it, but they like how it looks after we're done each time we do it, so they just continue to do it this way. They don't want it restored no matter what. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to clean it up, platinum sand, and seal it. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. We are doing our pre-treatment, spraying our chemicals down before we will surface clean. We have already sprayed down our pre-treatment. Now we are surface cleaning, or James is surface cleaning. Get rid of all the mildew, contaminants, everything in the joints on top of the pavers. Again, this is a property that we do every 3 years, so it's in pretty good shape considering. We'll also go ahead and clean that concrete area right there, making sure we don't catch any rocks. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. Find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com. Right there. James over there surface cleaning away, hitting the driveway the opposite way to make sure we get everything clean as possible. Take a few different steps to make sure everything's looking great. What I'm going to show you here is the sand that's sealed. Whoever company did it originally managed to seal in a lot of sand, mildew, dirt along the entire driveway. They also managed to seal dirt on the garage door. A little noisy. See it down there. We block all this off to make sure we don't get sealer or anything where it doesn't belong. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. Good morning, Kyle over and on top of the world, 352-282-2886. We're doing our high volume rinse. We just finished surface cleaning after a pre-treatment. After our high volume rinse, we'll go ahead and add in the platinum sand before, of course, laying down the Euroseal gloss sealer. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. There's an area over here where the company that did it at past went ahead and sealed in a lot of dirt. We're going to knock it off. Now that they trimmed this tree back, we can see it. James getting ready to put down the SEK platinum sand. You can see that is a beautiful sand. This is my favorite color, and it is a great sand. Give us a call, 352-282-2886. Find us on the web at paverrestorationfl.com. We are getting ready to wet sand the platinum sand in. You can see it running in there. It's going to look great. James is on top of it.